They say the manager swore the club was haunted. Lights flickering, glasses rattling on the bar, whispers in the rafters. He thought it was ghosts. Until we showed up. The Journ doesn't just play a gig. We raise one. Every downbeat rattled the floorboards, every riff shook the chains off the cellar doors, and every scream in the crowd woke something buried under the stage. By the end of the night, the poor manager was pale as a tombstone, clutching his rosary like it was a ticket stub. He asked if we'd come back next week. But only if we promised to bring the ghosts with us. Because the truth is, it wasn't haunted till we played. And once we leave, the dead don't.